Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. Today, I am making a rum and raisin banana bread. I made this recipe over the holidays. It came out so moist and yummy. I had to go ahead and share this recipe with you. So, go ahead and enjoy the video. See these 3 bananas? This is how you want your bananas to look when you're making banana bread, rum and raisin bread, any type of banana bread. I'm using avocado oil. It's a choice. You can use melted butter or any other oil of your choice. Ended up using a pinch of pink salt. You can use half a teaspoon, but I honestly don't think you need that much salt. I ended up using yogurt in this recipe. Honestly, I did not need it. I normally use this in my regular banana bread recipe, but in this rum and raisin banana bread, it was so moist, it was extra moist, which is a good thing, but it was just extra moist. You can leave that out, it's an option. I used half a cup of raisin. I had this soaked in wine, rum. It's been soaked for a while, but you can go ahead and just get some raisin and soak it in some spice rum for a couple of hours, a few days. The longer you soak it, the better. And just make sure your oven's on 350 while you're doing this process. And just want to make sure you also have your pan and get ready to spray that. You can butter it, spray it, whatever you have. And again, this should bake for an hour to 55 minutes. Wow, this is how mine came out. And my oven only took me 55 minutes. All depends on your oven. It may take you an hour, but this is how mine came out. I added just a bit of extra spice rum on it. You can do so if you like. Go ahead and enjoy.